Hi guys, welcome to Filament series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to add sorting to the column in table. So let's get started. So in our previous video we already created a project. You can see that there is a post module. If I click over here, there is a image, title, slug and category column. There is a display and there is a few records I have created. Now if I want to add the sorting, like if I click over here and that's going to ascending and descending the title, then how can we do that? If you are doing with Laravel like core module, then it will be takes time, like you need to add condition and all the things. But with the filament PHP it's very easy. So just let me go to VS Code editor and just let me go here, and here you just need to add one method that's called sortable. Okay, and hit enter, just save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh. You can see that they have added the icon over here and you don't have to do nothing. Just click over there, you can see that ascending. If I click on that, you can see that it's descending. So that means it's very easy to work with that, like ascending and descending. Okay, same way if you want to do with the slug, then let me go here and I will just put it like slug sortable. Same thing I want to add, save it. Okay, and if I go and refresh and if I click over here, you can see that A, and you can see that. So that means slug is also working fine. Same way if you want to add with the relational database, then also you can do. So let me go and add same thing, sortable. Okay, and just save it. Let me go here, hit refresh. You can see that it will also work with category. So that means this is very basic and simple example with the sorting. But what if you have a like date column? For example, if you have a tag like creation date, then how can you do that? So just let me add new column over here and text column and Mac, and I'm going to use created add column. Okay, and label I'm going to add like created at, something like that. Okay, and I will just use date and time function over here. Okay, and just save it. Okay, let me go back over here and hit refresh. You can see that we have displayed the beautiful date and time over here with the like month, date, and like day, month, day and year with the time format. Okay, now if I want to add the ascending descending for this, then you just need to go here and just add sorting. Okay, sortable, save it, and just let me go hit refresh. You can see that if I click over here, you can see that 13 then 29. So that means that is also working with the date column as well, with the relation and with the title. But what if you want, for example, if I go to the products and if I go back to the post, then it should be by default ascending order for the title, like default sorting. If you want to apply, then how can you do that? So let me go back over here and just you need to add new column over here that's called default sort. Okay, and just first argument you need to pass the column name, title and ASC. So ascending or descending order you can pass as a second argument. Just save it. Let me go back over here, hit refresh. You can see that A is on the square first, then a F and then L. So this was the very basic and simple example of how to do the sorting with Filament PHP, and it's very easy. In the next video we are going to cover how to do with the filter and the basic search with the table. So see you in the next video guys.